It's a tale of two halves today. Sunshine and showers in the north, fine and warm in the south, but it's the showers that win out as we head into the weekend. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Wednesday, 23rd of August.
Hi. Weather-wise, finally. Is it because you don't want to hear what I have to say? I'm not sure. Richard is desperate for more sunshine because, as I heard in Makeup this morning, he was unable to spend some time in the garden. And Richard, this forecast is just for you.
Excellent.
Now, weather-wise, there is plenty of sunshine, but really across the southern half of the UK. Northern areas have, like the last few days, Good morning to you. We saw the sun shining there in Essex. Before we get to the UK weather, taking a quick look at the weather through the Med. If you are still planning on heading off on your holidays, we have another heat wave building through parts of Spain, Portugal, France and Italy. Records broken in many areas in France yesterday. Record temperatures by night in Germany. And these are some of the temperatures as we head through the next few days. Sun cream because UV levels remain high. So how do things pan out as we head through the rest of the week into the weekend? And of course, the all-important bank holiday Monday for many of us. Now, for Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, temperature-wise, a little above average today, around about and then a little below average as we head through to next week. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK as we head through the next 7 days. Largely dry today, just the odd shower. But the theme as we head through Friday, more especially Saturday, heavy showers around, but then drier into next week. Fortunes further south of England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Well, this is looking at a trend, and the trend is for a slow drop in our temperatures through the next 7 days, but still remaining around about average. Percentage chance of rainfall, how likely we are to see wet weather across the south of the UK. Higher chance of seeing some showers, mostly in the far south on Thursday. And into the weekend, Saturday looks like the wettest day. Sunday looks dry, and then it stays like that into next week too. Charlotte loves space, so really exciting. There's a rover, it's going to go off, it's going to do loads of experiments, look at the atmosphere, the ocean, subsurface, so yes.
A purposeful launch. OK, thanks very much indeed, Laura.
And the weather isn't looking too bad either.
Right.
Good morning to you. So yes, it's incredible to think that later on tonight when we actually see the moon, there could be a new spacecraft having landed there, taking these incredible measurements. Now, weather-wise today, it is the sun many of us will see in the sky, particularly in the south, perhaps less in supply across north. Good morning to you. Now, the weather is set to change a little as we head through the next few days, particularly across northern areas of the UK. But before I get to the UK weather, worth pointing out, if you were still heading off on your holidays to Europe, things are hotting up again. Warnings in force for UV levels are high, so don't forget your sun cream. Now, how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, and actually into next week, and what is set to be a bank holiday Monday, they're not too bad. They certainly could be better. But first, I will look at our trend in temperatures across the north, and they're a little above average and just tail off a little below average. So a fall, but just a slight fall in our... Good morning to you. Today is a tale of two halves with the weather. The northern half is sunshine and showers. The south is largely dry with sunshine. But here's how it looks on latest satellite and radar. Cloud from the Midlands northwards. The radar shows a band of rain through North Wales and northern England, but it's fairly light and patchy and only really lasts this morning. It slowly moves eastwards, taking with it the cloud. It breaks up with sunnier skies this afternoon. Sunshine and showers for Scotland and Northern Ireland are as heavy as frequent days. The best of the blue skies in the south with top temperatures 27 degrees.